Hello my beautiful people, welcome again to Lily Jaff channel. Hope you all are doing great. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make pineapple carrot juice. It's so refreshing. Before I dive into the video, have you subscribed to my channel? If no, please do it now by clicking the following. Thanks a million for doing that. Let's see what I have for my juice. Pineapple, carrots, lemon, ginger, and some ice cubes. Thanks a million to all my returning subscribers, and God bless you, all my new subscribers. I love you, I love you, I love you. Straight away, I'm going to start by scraping my pineapple. When I'm done with my pineapple, I'm going to cut it into sizes that will fit my juicer during blending. Also, I'm going to do same with carrot, lemon, and ginger. Stay tuned and you follow it step by step, guys. Wow, they are now set for blending. Oh my gosh.
Every day.
Here right in front of me is my juice jar, my juicer, my carrot, pineapple, ginger, lemon, and some ice cubes. So I'm going to attach this plastic where my chaff chamber is. So I'm just going to fit it inside. Reason is because I want all the chaff to go in directly to the plastic. I'm going to pour in my ice cubes into the jar juice because I need my juice. I need to take it immediately. So I have no time to preserve it in the fridge to get cold. So that's the reason I'm using the ice cube.
Anytime you
forget to leave me a thumb up and some comment.